Welcome to a JAMS installation overview. Let's start with downloading the software. If you have not already been in contact with us, you can simply start by clicking on the free trial button on the jamsscheduler.com homepage. Simply fill out the form and you will receive an email with directions to download the software. Downloading the software can be done from our support site, support.jamsscheduler.com. Sign into your account, click on Downloads and Release Notes, then download JAMS v7, scroll down and click on the download link. Navigate to the downloaded file, right-click, Run as Administrator. We are going to start by clicking Next, accepting the license agreement, and here you will need to choose the JAMS client and the JAMS scheduler. However, I also recommend installing the JAMS web client. MSMQ will be installed. Here you can choose the desired integration packs. Accept the notice. And now fill out the contact information. This should include your SMTP server's address if you have it. Here is where we will identify what SQL we want to use. Simply put in the server name or server/instance name, and I would recommend using Windows Authentication. This will require the ID that you're running the installer as having both database creator and security admin rights. It won't be used after the install. Additionally, you could choose to have SQL Express installed on the JAMS scheduler server. You can override some default file locations. Here, I would highly recommend installing the sample jobs and supplying an ID and password, ideally a service account, that JAMS can use to execute jobs. This can be done after installation as well. It is recommended to set the web client authentication to domain. Now just click Install and let it go. This could take anywhere from a few minutes up to an hour, depending upon what needs to be installed. Upon completion, click Close and restart your machine. Now you can run the JAMS desktop client, and you should run it as an administrator. Upon opening the client, if you have not applied your license key, you will see a red circle in the top right-hand corner. If you need to request a key, please contact your account manager or open a ticket at support.jamsscheduler.com. You can apply the license key by simply copying the file to the JAMS scheduler directory. You should now check the license file properties to see if Windows has blocked it, and if so, unblock it. The license file should be picked up automatically without needing a restart. Just give it a few seconds. And that is the JAMS install. If you'd like assistance with this, or maybe help with configuring JAMS, adding credentials, creating agents, or building out some jobs, please let us know. Reach out to your account manager or open a support ticket. Thank you.